Greetings folks, in this video we will compare the features of a hard chamber and those of a soft chamber. So let's begin with the hard chamber. The first thing you would notice that this is a chamber with a much wider window, and that is a 36-inch wide window, bringing the outside to inside and hence reducing the possible psychosomatic response. On the other hand, with the soft chamber, the windows are not as large as that of the hard chamber. You do have multiple windows. You have window here, you have window here. There are additional windows here and to the side. There is no other opening for light to enter, but nonetheless, generally speaking, you would have a far greater light coming into the inside of the hard chamber. Next, let's talk about durability. Of course, these machines will be far more durable, being able to increase to a higher pressure, and you have the option for progressive control, and that is increasing the chamber's pressure progressively from 1.3 ATA to 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, and 2.0. Hence, it has a lot more pronounced effects in mitochondrial energy function, as well as the telomere length increase. The telomere length increase studies that was done in Tel Aviv University, that was done on a 2.0 hard chamber and not a soft chamber. Now notice the rest of the features. You would also have the ability on a hard chamber to control everything from inside as an operator would from outside. For example, if you have the capacity as an operator to turn on the machine, the oxygen concentration and the pressure button, as well as the internal light, that same function, set of functions can be controlled either as an operator here or as a patient or proprietor himself or herself from inside. Next, let us notice the stepping in and out and relative ease on a hard chamber than that of a soft chamber. So here I go, grabbing the handle, I'll take off my shoes, off I go, grabbing this handle and that handle, stepping here, lifting my leg, entering the chamber, sliding myself in, and I am inside the chamber. And I'm ready to close the door and begin the pressurization process. After the session is over, I am ready to step out and notice how easy it is. Once again, after the session, I would simply get up, grab this door handle and nowhere else, switch, shift my body weight, and bring myself up, grab this door handle, and off I go, stepping out of the chamber. So these are some of the highlights of the difference between the hard and the soft chamber. Needless to say, it offers a lot more flexibility, long-term durability, functionally, and both physiologically speaking in terms of telomere length increase, mitochondrial functional enhancements, and so on and so forth. Any further questions, please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to answer them accordingly. Thank you.